The vocabulary word we are exploring now is installation. Installation. Have you ever watched as something was set up piece by piece? An installation is the process of putting equipment, software, or a piece of art into its place. Let's understand its meaning, examples, and listen to a short story about how an installation can create belonging. Meaning of installation. Installation means the act or process of setting up equipment, machinery, or an artwork, making it ready for use or display. Examples. The installation of the new machine took 3 hours. The artist revealed her installation in the city square. The technician came for the installation of solar panels. Short story. Sarah watched the installation of a colorful mural on her neighborhood wall. Slowly, it came to life, a scene of belonging and hope. At first, the wall felt like any other, gray and plain. But as paint met concrete, it became a beacon for the community. Neighbors stopped to watch, smiling as the image grew. When the installation was finished, the neighborhood felt warmer, connected by this beautiful piece of art. Sometimes, it's in moments like these that we remember how installations don't just fill spaces, they fill hearts, making a place truly feel like home.